Haha, Emma, look at this party. It feels crazy already. The place is beautiful, the music is loud, and everyone is having their best time.
I know, it's so full of energy. I love this kind of chaos.
Cheers, baby, to the last night of the year. Ha, this champagne looks fancy. I hope it tastes better than last time.
Cheers, darling. Don't worry, this one won't hurt your stomach again.
Come to think of it, that was one terrible bottle. Jack must have accidentally bought some kind of cheap champagne.
Oh no, you're blaming Jack now? You drank 3 glasses too fast. I saw everything, mister.
Come on, it tasted pretty fine until the stomachache came.
Poor my dear Liam. Oh, look around. Everyone is dancing already.
Wow, who's the DJ? The music is really good. I can't stop moving my feet.
Same here. This song makes me want to dance forever. Oh my, look at Jack over there.
Oh wow, Jack is jumping like crazy. Is he even on the floor? I think he's flying.
He promised he wouldn't drink much. I knew it. Famous last words.
By the way, the snacks are amazing. Did you try the cheese balls? Oh my, they're dangerous.
Yes, however, I prefer the cupcakes more. Oh my, this party is bad for my diet.
Diets can wait, darling. It's New Year's Eve. Calories don't count tonight.
I like that rule. Oh, listen, the music is getting louder.
That means dancing time. Come on, Emma, don't pretend you're tired now.
Me? Tired? Never at a party like this. Let's dance the night away.
Sophie, this song is insane.
I know. Oh, wow, the beat is crazy. The DJ is doing a fantastic drop.
My legs are kind of tired, but my soul says no.
Don't stop now, boy. It's New Year's Eve.
You're right. Tonight we dance like there's no tomorrow. Oh, by the way, what's your plan for next year?
No tomorrow, but next year. Well, I have too many plans. I want more concerts, more trips, more fun.
Oh, wow, ambitious. Any specific concert in mind?
Yes, I have always wanted to see my favorite band live, the Paranoma. You know them? Front row, if possible.
Oh my, that sounds expensive. I heard their tickets are very hard to get.
Exactly, but memories are better than money, right? I plan to go to their Japan's concert.
Coincident. I also want to travel to Japan next year.
Nice! Japan sounds amazing. Aside from the concert, I want food, music, and late-night dancing, laughing, and feeling alive. Ooh, can't wait.
You know what? We should totally travel to Japan together next year. We have always wanted a trip together, right?
Are you sure? You said that last year, too.
Oh no, busted. But this time I mean it. I promise we will make it.
All right, if you insist, I will try my best to make our dream trip happen.
Please do. Next year has to be better, more fun than this year.
No doubt. Next year, we level up our fun.
Oh, listen, this is my favorite song, my jam.
No way, mine too.
Want to get down on the dance floor with me, Sophie?
Let's go! Woohoo!
Wow, Lucy, look at the sky tonight. Why do I feel like it is bigger than usual?
Maybe because of the enormous fireworks show right here, darling. They make the city feel alive.
Look at those colors. Red, gold, and blue. Oh, they shine so brightly.
And the sound is amazing too. Every boom feels strong and hopeful.
Lucy, I'm glad we have this rooftop. Standing here with you and watching gorgeous fireworks, everything feels calm but exciting.
Aw, I feel the same too. It's cold, but my heart feels warm somehow.
The year is almost over. Time really does fly, doesn't it? This year had good moments and hard ones too. Well, many hard ones.
Me too, but looking at the fireworks helps me breathe again.
True thing. Are you excited about the new year, Lucy?
Me? Well, I am, if I'm being honest. I'm a little nervous too, but mostly hopeful.
Thank you for the honesty. You know what? We had a challenging year, so I really do look forward to the upcoming year.
What do you hope for next year, Daniel?
I hope for more balance, less rushing, more peace. I want to enjoy more small moments, not just big but challenging goals.
Oh, I love that.
What about you, Lucy? What are your wishes?
I want to feel free. Travel more, laugh more, enjoy more. I want to wake up every day feeling excited about life.
Ah, Lucy, I hope you get that. Truly.
You too. It's going to be hard, but I believe we can find a way.
You know, these fireworks kind of look like shooting stars. Is it okay if I make a wish to it?
Why not? Let's find a big one and make a wish.
Let me see. Look at that one. It's big and golden.
Oh, wow. It's beautiful. All right, I shall say my wishes now.
Please make my wish come true. It's funny how quiet the street is now after the party. Ugh, my ears are still tired due to that loud music.
Same here, big brother. Quiet walks are our thing, right?
True. We've done this since we were kids, walking home and talking about everything and nothing.
Aw, it's starting.
Mia, remember when Mom made us walk home after family dinners?
Oh my gosh, yes. She said it was good for digestion or something.
You know, I really did believe she just wanted some peace and quiet.
Honestly, I think so too.
Speaking of family, this year was full of funny moments. Funny and embarrassing. Well, mostly embarrassing.
Oh no, please don't start.
Remember when you forgot Dad's birthday call?
Hey, I did not forget. I mixed up the days.
You called him the next day and said, "Surprise!"
Stop it. He was happy anyway.
That's Dad. He always laughs first. What a positive man. Unlike Mom. Oh dear. Remember when I broke Mom's favorite bowl?
How could I forget? You froze like a statue, as if you didn't move, it would fix itself.
Ugh, I was so scared.
And then you blamed the cat. That was actually genius.
The cat was nearby. It was a fair guess. Poor kitty got yelled at by Mom. You know, I messed up a lot.
We both do. That's kind of our family talent.
Looking back, everything feels lighter.
It's like distance turns mistakes into stories.
Stories we will hear every holiday forever.
Sadly, yes. Our family never forgets. But they never stop loving us either, even when we fail hard.
Yes, that's what family is for, right?
It is. Oh my, do you remember Grandpa's fishing incident?
Maybe save that story for later, little sister. Home is close now.
Oh, right. Hurry up. Mom will ask why we're so late.
Hannah, come sit. The fire looks calm tonight.
Yes, it does. It feels like it's breathing slowly with us.
It's hard to believe the year is almost over.
I know. It feels long and short at the same time.
This year asked a lot from us.
Yes, it did. Some days were heavier than I expected.
I remember feeling tired more often than happy.
Me too. We didn't give up, even when things felt unclear.
I struggled with doubt this year.
I saw that.
Really? I didn't remember complaining much.
Well, I notice all the nights you stayed up late and all the meals you did not finish.
Wow, you remember. I really did try hard, but looking back, I didn't achieve anything huge.
Maybe not huge, but meaningful.
Like what?
Like staying kind when it was hard, staying consistent when you know you may not make it.
I never thought of that as success. Just something I must do, I have to do.
It is. Small wins matter more than we think. I can see that you have grown stronger and braver this year, Oliver.
Thanks, darling. Now, enough about me. What did this year teach you?
Me? It taught me to slow down and listen more. I did not pay much attention to my loved ones before. I did not realize how hard everyone was trying.
Aw, you've always been kind to others. I mean, sometimes I think that you forget to do the same for yourself.
Aw, really? I mean, I am working on it. I buy myself new treats every now and then.
Ha, that's good to know. When I sit here now, I feel thankful.
For what?
For warmth, for this quiet, for you.
Aw, that means a lot to me.
I'm grateful we made it through this year together.
Same here. Even the hard parts brought us closer.
Thank you for sitting here with me, Hannah. Happy New Year.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts too, Oliver. Happy New Year.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, what are you doing this New Year's Eve? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.